Matt from the Random Maker here, and today I am here to do another Arduino project based on the lessons provided by Elegoo for their starter kits. If you look at the number above, you can kind of see where you are in the series, and other than that, we're going to flip screens and we'll introduce today's project. Part 2, Lesson 7 for the tilt ball switch. Alright, so at this point, we are going to be doing the 2.7 lesson, and this is a tilt switch, and this is pretty cool. So what a tilt switch does is basically it goes up and down and it tracks when the direction this goes up in. And so we're going to be basically doing an on and off, and that's it. So let's get going. What you're going to need for this particular project is you're going to need your R3, you're going to need 2 wires, male to female, and your tilt switch. Okay, now the nice thing is with these are non-directional, so I'm just going to put the 2 wires on in this case, so it's like this, and I am going to put one in ground, and then in this particular project we're going to be putting it into pin 2. Alright, well at this stage we're going to flip over to the software side to put a code on here so that we can actually use this little switch. We are going to load in the file for the tilt sensor at this stage. Super simple. Let's go into open. We're going to hit open again, and I'm going to hit ball switch. Click on ball switch. And we now have our new screen, and as always we want to hit verify to make sure the code's going to work. Taking a second, we can now see we've got green here, and then very simple, you're going to plug in your Arduino and then hit upload. And we are now ready to use the tilt sensor. Load. Alright, we can see the lights are going here. Now, if this works, this light, by my finger, every time I lift the tilt sensor up, it goes off. I push it down. And so we can see right here. Now, you can change the code and use math equations on that, but for our particular purpose today, we just need to see a flashing light. All right, let's move on from there. And there's another really simple, easy project just to learn the basics of sensors. Hey, if you liked that video, why don't you hit the like button? If you want to see more content like this and other random projects, hit the subscribe button and follow what the Random Maker is doing. If you have any project ideas and want to see come to life in front of you, put it in the comment section below. We do take a look at all the comments, and whether we reply or not, just we are reading them. I want you to know that. And you know what? Until the next project, Matt from the Random Maker saying, let's get making.